In this solution video, I am going to show a structure, a solution which we have designed to target the visual perception scale. Visual perception is another challenging area which we need to focus and need to work by breaking down the perception, understanding, and under visual perception there are a lot of elements which come, whether it's a visual spatial understanding, visual discrimination, visual pattern matching, okay, mirror imaging. There are a lot of elements which come, which we need to break down and step by step need to work with the child. As you can see here, one structure here as I am presenting. You can see two similar kind of materials. The blocks are kept and we are calling it the block pattern. So this we call the 3D block pattern. So because we are all holding the 3D objects. So the child is also having the 3D same blocks and along same like the teacher. And as the teacher is going to place and the child is also going to walk and following the pattern simultaneously. Okay, so if I can see, so it is called the mirror imaging and the child is going to do it. Okay, so as you can see, so this is a 3D image as it is going, getting created. So as if you keep, you can see these two are identically equal, similar kind of pattern. Okay, so how that you are building the concept of left and right, okay, and using the 3D objects. Similarly, if we are talking about the space orientation, the size orientation, okay, so if we show up space and where maybe the teacher is the idea is to introduce the left hand side and how the child is understanding, okay, is the left hand side of the blocks and maybe the below the box and over the box. Okay, so inside, so corner, so everything matters, that how the child perceives the right hand corner, how the child is perceiving the left and right, my left and right, and the child's his or her left and right. So these are some examples how the space and spatial orientation getting worked on. Similarly, as you can see, this is the 3D to 3D pattern. Next comes level 2D to 3D. So the pictures are 2D pattern and the pictures are kept in front of the child and the child has to follow and make the pattern ready. Okay, so these are also example that this is the next level progression. From after the 3D to 3D, seeing the similar kind of material, the child is moving towards the following from the picture. So maybe the child is seeing the picture and the blocks are kept over here and the child is following the steps. Okay, so this is also next level of where how the child perceives and do and strengthen their visual perception skill. Okay.
Breakfreesolutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery. Partnered by Enable India, Trinayani Sethi Foundation, Allergis, Easy, CII, Young Indians and Young Indians Accessibility.